Hey, Precious, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Just saw we had recently visited the website again, looking for information on those Honda Accords. I know we spoke briefly earlier this week. This is stock number 191733, the exact vehicle you saw on the website. And this is a 2.0 turbo EXL package. The model is still metallic. As you can see, it's got your LED lighting, LED fog lights. It's got the largest engine that we offer in the new Accord. This outperforms our previous model V6s in every aspect. Even went neck and neck with an Audi twin turbo quattro, and we smoked it too. It's a phenomenal product. The EXL gets you the top grade leather with memory seating as well as heated seats. The Apple CarPlay, the Android Auto, the moonroof is standard on this vehicle, and it's a 19 option. As you see, we have it priced to sell. I'm looking forward to working with you, Precious. While we still have our 19 inventory, we're slowly stopping getting anything new in the Honda Accord lineup, so time is of the essence. You gotta contact me today. Let's get you set up at a test drive for this vehicle this week. 205-504-2358 is my direct line, and you can reach me by phone or text. I'm making this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, Precious, you're gonna love the way you're treated.